Decorating helps you be creative. It can give you a creative outlet, a hobby, something to do and practice when you have free time. Expressing yourself through your home is no different than expressing yourself through art. Think of your home as your canvas and you are the artist. Among the decor items you can use to decorate your home or office are wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. These items are made with wood sourced from different tree species. There are over 100,000 species of trees on Earth and many of those make great furniture. Furniture made from a solid piece of wood can be a great addition to a home. Home decoration is useful in expressing yourself and can be so rewarding. It is so fun getting to see who you are as a person come out in a space. Our rooms should tell the story of who we are. Decorating is like expressing the chapters of your life through items. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. We need to have a clear understanding of the properties of each type of wood to choose from the several wood types available. Mahogany is one of the widely known woods for furniture making. Mahogany stays durable even when it is underwater. It takes on a rather deep color once it has been polished. Mahogany has a glossy finish. This means that the wood's pores absorb the paint well enough to give it a glossy finish. Another advantage of this wood is that it does not decay underwater. So, if you have a house by the sea, lake or river, you can consider having furniture built from mahogany. They are durable. It is one of the finest woods so it can be easily sculpted. This wood is usually used to make furniture, cabinets, and interesting patterns on decorative art pieces. Teak wood is often considered the best kind of wood to make home or office furniture. One of the reasons is that it is durable and fire resistant. It is also one of the most expensive types of wood. Teak wood looks incredibly attractive after it is polished and is not affected by dry rots or white ants. This wood doesn't shrink a lot and doesn't corrode the metal fastenings. Furniture made from teak wood has great aesthetic appeal. It feels smooth when you touch it and its brown color looks a lot better than the other wood types. They also last for about a century. Due to the wood's high density, it is resistant to decay and rot. This means that this wood will stay in good shape for a long time. Teak wood also has good tensile strength as well as tight grain. This makes the wood durable and weather resistant. As a result, teak wood is often used for building boats and other outdoor furniture. Home decorating allows you to create a space that supports your lifestyle. Whether you like to entertain a lot, read books, practice yoga, or cook, decorating gives you the tools you need to create spaces around your lifestyle choices. You literally have the power to make your space how you want. Your space is your space, and decorating gives you the ability to design spaces around your lifestyle and what works the best for you and your family. When you have decorated your space for you, it can bring you so much peace and calm, which is what we all really want for our spaces. When our spaces reflect our personalities, they are easy to clean and tidy up, and are functional for your lifestyle. You may never want to leave. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.